to the escape room screening. But we're about to.
We were. It's not a feeling, it's a fact.
Okay, Kelsey. It's not a feeling, it's a fact. We're on our way to see second act with J-Lo. When we first saw the trailer, I was like, I really want to go see it because I support basically everything J-Lo's in because she's bomb, and I haven't seen anything bad that she's in from what I've seen. Only the movies that I've seen with her in it have all been good. So we're gonna meet Keisha and Kaya at Atlantic Station to see that. So we're gonna meet them. They invited us to the screening actually. We were gonna go see it anyway, like at the movies like normal, but they just so happened to invite us to go see second act, and we were like perfect because we're gonna go see it anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. And the traffic isn't that bad this way, but hopefully it doesn't get worse as we get closer to the city. So we shall see. Hopefully the movie's really good. It has, I forgot her last name, but her name's Leah. She's like J-Lo's really good friend. So I wonder if this is like their first movie together because they've been friends for years. So it should be really good. And yeah, now we can see Aquaman because we were trying to decide whether or not we wanted to see second act or Aquaman because they both were coming out on the same days. So since we're seeing second act today, we can go see Aquaman when it comes out. Okay guys, so I'm just finishing up organizing all these giveaway prizes that we're going to be sending to you guys. Well, obviously not all of you. It's going to be 6 winners. So that's why there are 6 boxes. So there's stuff from Urban Decay, Bobbi Brown, L'Oreal, The Balm, and a couple other brands like this crown palette in here that is so pretty. One of you guys could probably benefit from it. So yeah, super pretty. I didn't even know Crown, because I have some of their brushes, but I didn't know they had like palettes. Also some Cover FX stuff in here. Cantu, like some deep conditioners. A bunch of lip products. Also to each one of the boxes we're going to be adding either a Target gift card or Ulta. I just asked you guys on Instagram which one you would prefer. So we're not sure which one we're going to get yet. But we should know by the end of the week, and then we'll go out and either get you guys' Ulta gift cards or Target gift cards to add to the prizes. And of course I feel like I have to explain this every year, but Kendra and I are doing hand selected giveaways now. We're not doing random giveaways because we have had a lot of like random people in the past to win that really weren't true fans of ours, and it kind of pissed us off. They got a bunch of free stuff and like our real ride or dies didn't get anything. So that's when we just started deciding to hand pick our giveaway winners. So yeah, because we pay attention to comments. We might not always respond, but we pay attention and note the people that are always commenting and stuff like that. So be looking out for either an email or a DM or something from Kendra or I letting you know you won the giveaway. So yeah, this is just the Christmas one. Obviously we're going to do more giveaways in 2019, obviously, other than just Christmas, because we want to start doing more for you guys. I think our next giveaway is probably going to be like some of our favorite things. I just filmed a extra AF holiday glam look. So this is the look. It's already up on our channel, so go to GLAMTWINZTV if you have not seen this look. So it's like a cranberry look, and I didn't want to be traditional this year, so that's why I just decided to do something a little bit different. Oh, and by the way, I know some people are going to ask me where this shirt is from. I've already got questions on Snapchat, and I think it's from Pretty Little Thing. It's a bodysuit. I think I got it from there like last year, if I'm not mistaken. I actually got this color, and then I also got like a turquoise color, and I haven't worn either one of them anywhere yet, but this would definitely be perfect for like a holiday party. But I think I found it when I was like, you know, far in the pages. You know, you find the good stuff when you be like on page like 55. You know, that's if you're a professional shopper like I am. I be serious when I be looking for certain stuff. But yeah, it should be still on there because they have certain pieces on there for a while. So you guys can go look. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this and get it up today. So I'm doing an all dayer. So film, edit, and upload. Just because I had a couple of pimples and I was trying to wait for them to go down. I mean, they went down some, but I didn't want to keep waiting to film this look. But yeah, I'm gonna go take this off first. Then I'm gonna come back and edit this and eat at the same time. Multitasking at its best. All right guys, so I'm just about to wrap some Christmas gifts. I know most people will be like, just tape up the box and give it to them like this, because this is already festive, but I don't like this blue. I think it's ugly, and it's gonna look even uglier under our tree. So I'm wrapping the gifts with nice pretty wrapping paper, and plus it's just a part of the holidays, you know, to wrap gifts. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be doing the wrapping because Kendra is not the best at wrapping gifts, so I'm just gonna be doing the wrapping. But she did put all of them in boxes and write everybody's name on the boxes, so I can know whose gift I'm wrapping and rewrite the name on the paper. So yeah, teamwork people, teamwork makes the dream work. Saturday, I'm gonna have me some green tea and ginger tea. I like to mix them. Doesn't matter what brand really, but this is the Newman's own organic green tea, and then I love this Yogi ginger tea. I like the mango ginger and the lemon ginger. Both of them are really good. Also, just got done washing my hair. This is what I used. This is the Briogeo Rosarco Repair shampoo and conditioner. And I also like to use this before I deep condition. This is the Alpha-G Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I really like this. It has really helped my hair like bounce back from when it was like, you know, a hot mess last year. Not last year, the year before last year. So my hair has been a lot better since I've been using this. Love that. And then I'm gonna deep condition with this. You guys have seen me talk about this deep conditioner forever. This is the matching deep conditioner to the shampoo and conditioner. But I use this on my curls all the time. So I'm gonna be using it today before I blow dry and straighten my hair. Okay guys, so it is Christmas Eve and Kendra and I are getting ready to leave to go to Montgomery. It's also my mom's birthday today. I'm sure most of you remember that. Before we head out, I'm gonna stop and get some gas. We have to get a couple of last minute things at Target right quick, like gift bags for last few couple of gifts, and then we're on the road. So I wish we would have got this last minute stuff before, because I just like to get gas and go straight there, but I mean, what can you do? We just forgot the stuff, so oh well. And this is what happens when you have too many family members and you're trying to, like, you know, get most people, but not everybody, because, you know, we don't buy adults gifts, but we have a lot of kids in our family, a lot of teenagers, and I was always excited to get like different gifts from all my family members when I was their age. So I'm just, you know, trying to keep, you know, Christmas alive in their hearts, you know, because it was a great time for me and Kendra when we were younger. So I mean, it still is, but you know, the older you get, the less gifts you get, which is fine because I like to spoil myself throughout the year. And then when Christmas comes, it's our chance to, you know, give, you know, our cousins and stuff gifts. So I just like to see their faces when they open them and stuff. So yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna vlog during Christmas Eve this year because we usually do like vlog us opening gifts and stuff. So I'm not sure if we are. I think I just want to be in the moment this year and not vlog it. But we'll probably maybe vlog a tad bit on Christmas. We'll see, because we're having Christmas at my cousin Kia's house. So we'll see. Not sure yet. So